Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Olivia and today I'm going to be doing a Saturday morning clean with me. So this is just typically what I like to do every Saturday morning to start the weekend off great and to enjoy the weekend with a clean house. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully you gain some Saturday morning cleaning inspiration and motivation from this video. So the first thing I like to do is get the laundry going. So if you followed my channel for a little bit, you know that I've been dying to get a dryer and we finally got one. So it's made laundry a lot more exciting in the household, but I just like to start off doing the laundry Saturday morning. I tend to do 1 to 2 loads during the week, depending on how many clothes we have, but it's nice to just have all the laundry done in the weekend and not have to worry about it. And then the cats were letting me know that it's definitely time for their breakfast. So I just fed them their breakfast and then continued cleaning. I definitely recommend making a to-do list, and I just like to make the to-do list on Friday of things that we want to accomplish for the weekend. So things that I want to clean, household projects, or just stores or to-dos. So for example, I have clean the windows as on my to-do list, but then I also have replant our fiddly fig tree. So it's just random things that I've been meaning to do, and it's just nice having a list that I can check things off and feel accomplished. If you've watched any of my other Clean With Me videos, you would see that my kitchen actually looks a little bit different right now. So I just randomly one morning decided to redo my kitchen, kind of. I just picked up things around the house and rearranged things, and I'm really quite happy with it. There's a few things that I want to do with the area, like where that photo is right now. I want to do some open shelving. I think that would look really nice, but I'm really loving the style of the kitchen right now, and I feel like it flows better with my home. I've mentioned in the other cleaning videos that I've done that this method, Degreaser, is my all-time favorite cleaning product. It is really strong and it gets all the tough things off of the counters, all the food stains, that kind of stuff, but it's an all-natural, eco-friendly cleaner, so I really love this product. But it's perfect for the stove, so I definitely like to use this product on the stove. I find that no other cleaner really does as well of a job as it does, but I like to spray it. I use the washcloth to kind of scrub it because it tends to be easier to get those hard food particles off, but then I like to use a paper towel to just wipe up the rest of it. I tend to use the washcloth for the majority of all wiping down surfaces, but sometimes I do use paper towels, but I try to limit that. And it wouldn't be Saturday morning without a delicious cup of coffee. So I don't have coffee every single morning, but I tend to have coffee every single day. So definitely coffee is a must. And then I also love to go through my work bag. I work full-time in an office, so my work bag tends to get messy, and this like tote floppy style bag tends to get really messy. So I just like to go through everything, throw out things that may be bad, reorganize things. And there was a spill in my bag, so I just wiped everything down. Nothing was too bad, but just a little sticky. So I just wiped things down instead of throwing things out. They're still good, and just used one of these Kirkland wipes from Costco. If the wipe is still good, I like to just finish off by cleaning up my trash can. I don't like things to go to waste, so it's really nice to just kind of give the trash can a quick wipe down, and I don't want to use a washcloth for that, so just using the rest of the Kirkland wipe was perfect. And then I'm just going to use my Dyson to vacuum up the house. So wiping down the windows was something that was included on my weekend to-do list. It's something that I like to do at least once every couple weeks or once a month or so, but just recently I haven't done it as often as I would like. But it's really easy to just clean the windows. I'm not hosing them down or anything like that. I'm just using the Method mirror and window cleaner to wipe down the windows. So I'm doing both inside and outside to the ones that I can easily reach. This cleaner smells amazing and does the job pretty well, so if you're looking for an easy window cleaner that's not as harsh with chemicals and stuff, I definitely recommend the Method products. And I will have all the links down below to my Amazon storefront, which has all my favorite cleaning products. And then also I always link down my blog with blog posts of my favorite cleaning products as well. Another task that I really wanted to complete this weekend was dusting the TV cabinet entertainment area. So I'm embarrassed to admit that I honestly do not know the last time this was dusted. Maybe when we moved into this house like a year ago. I know, so bad. It's just one of those areas that you just tend to forget about. And so I just really wanted to take the time to not only dust the shelves, but dust the actual items. So we have some movies, some CDs, games, entertainment stuff, that kind of stuff in there. So not only did I want to make sure the surfaces were dusted, but the actual items, because the picture frames were shockingly dusty. So it was really nice to just kind of clean up the space and refresh it. This is an area that I would like to redecorate and make it look more visually appealing, but for right now it's fine and it functions as we need it. So it's not the top of my to-do list for things to redecorate, but it's definitely up there of something that I will get to eventually. So I'm just dusting off the rest of the surface. I tend to dust the top of this unit a lot, like every time I clean, so that wasn't that dusty, but the shelves were definitely needing some TLC. So that is it for my Saturday morning clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed and gained some weekend motivation to clean your house and start off the weekend great and just enjoy the rest of the weekend with a clean house. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs it up, and as I mentioned, all my socials and all blog posts links will be down below.